So we got our, this is our fuel intake. No, let me rephrase that. Right here is the tube that runs to our fuel tank when you fill from the outside. It's kind of in the way, so we're just going to build a box around it. This is where our pantry is going to be. So I'm just going to make a big box, kind of frame out the pantry already, and then just kind of make a box around this. That way we can seal it up, kind of like we did our wheel wells. So we have this little access to the top of the fuel tank for the sensor. I believe that's what. But yes, that goes to the fuel tank. And so we have this little piece of wood because they didn't want to cover that in case we ever needed to access it. So we're going to put this little handle on here. It's going to be recessed in, and then we're going to put some hinges on the back so you can just kind of lift it up and close it and access that when you need to. So I just kind of notched these out a little bit, just enough that the hinges will be recessed under the wood, and I will do the same on this side. I just wanted to put it on this piece first because I can always recut a new square if I need to. On the underneath side, you can see the screw marks. Basically, all I'm going to do is drill those out a little bit. That way, when our board does go in, right now it's elevated because of the screws. It'll sit nice and flat. We'll have our hinges in there nice and flat. And then we'll put our handle in here. We'll kind of do the same thing for our handle that I just did here. So then we'll be able to lift the whole thing up, access this when we need to.
You done cutting? Can you take your earplugs out?
Yep.
All right.
Earwaxy.
They're earwaxy now? Yeah, probably.
Then guess who are working on my little fan too? For my mixing.
No. Remember, we're not to the bunks just yet. We're not working on your vanity, no. Daddy, tell her what you're working on.
So, you see this little hole right here? Mm-hmm. We're making a latch for that, like a secret compartment.
That's where I'm going to hide all my candy.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Oh God, I love you.
Okay.
Go there.
Seems like a smart design choice. If those are super earwaxy, go ahead and go through the garbage.
No.
Okay.
All right, so we got this all finished. It's so it's pretty close to being flush all the way around. And besides, we're gonna have a carpet over it, so you're not really gonna notice this being underneath it. But it does its job. It functions. It opens up, so you can get access to this if you need to, and closes down fine. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's functional.
What do you think, Stevie?
Thanks.
Say thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.